Here's a full YouTube video script in English, around 1200 words, no headings, includes a fast 30-second hook, and a channel intro for Auto Home Hub. I've kept it energetic and viewer-friendly, just like a voiceover script. Stop scrolling right now, because what you're about to see might completely change how you think about budget cars in 2025 and 2026. Imagine a four-wheeler that costs almost the same as a premium bike, gives you a roof over your head, better safety than a three-wheeler, insane mileage, and ultra-low running cost. Sounds unreal, right? But this is not a concept, this is real, and it's called the Bajaj Qute. Today we're talking about the 2025-2026 Bajaj Qute, its latest updates, real-world usability, and most importantly, its price. So make sure you watch till the end, because this car is not for everyone, but for the right buyer, it can be a total game changer. Hello and welcome back to Auto Home Hub. If you love honest automobile content, practical car discussions, and real value vehicles, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Home Hub. Now let's get straight into the video. The Bajaj Qute has always been a unique vehicle in the Indian automotive space. It's not exactly a car, not exactly an auto rickshaw, but something in between. Officially, it is classified as a quadricycle, and that classification is what makes it so interesting. For 2025 and 2026, Bajaj is continuing the Qute with the same core philosophy: ultra-low cost, high efficiency, and practical urban mobility. In terms of design, don't expect major cosmetic changes in the 2025 or 2026 Bajaj Qute. Bajaj is not trying to make this look stylish or premium. The design is purely functional. You get a compact body, narrow width, and a tall stance that makes it perfect for crowded city roads. The small size helps in tight parking spaces, narrow lanes, and heavy traffic where bigger cars struggle. The body panels are lightweight, which also helps in improving fuel efficiency. Step inside the Bajaj Qute, and again, practicality is the keyword. The cabin is extremely basic. You get seating for 4 people, but let's be honest, it's best suited for 2 adults and 2 children or short city rides with 4 adults. The seats are simple, upright, and designed more for durability than comfort. There's minimal dashboard equipment, a basic instrument cluster, and almost no luxury features. No touchscreen, no fancy infotainment, no steering-mounted controls. And that's intentional. For 2025 and 2026, Bajaj is expected to maintain the same layout but with slightly improved fit and finish compared to older models. Small refinements like better seat cushioning, improved plastics, and minor noise insulation updates may be offered, especially for export or private registration models. Now let's talk about the engine and performance, because this is where the Bajaj Qute surprises a lot of people. The Bajaj Qute is powered by a 216cc single-cylinder engine. It is available in petrol as well as CNG variants. Power output is modest, around 13 horsepower, and top speed is limited to approximately 70 km per hour. This is not a highway car, and Bajaj is very clear about that. But in the city, the Qute makes a lot of sense. The lightweight body and small engine combination result in excellent fuel efficiency. In real-world conditions, the petrol variant can deliver around 35 km/h, while the CNG variant can go up to 40+ km per kilogram. For daily commuters, small business owners, and fleet operators, this is a massive advantage in 2025 and 2026 when fuel prices continue to be unpredictable. Driving the Bajaj Qute is extremely easy. The steering is light, visibility is good, and the compact size makes it stress-free in traffic. The suspension is tuned for city roads, handling bumps and potholes reasonably well considering the vehicle's size and price. Don't expect car-like ride comfort, but compared to auto rickshaws, the Qute feels more stable and safer. Safety is another area where Bajaj Qute stands out compared to three-wheelers. You get a metal body, seat belts, doors, and better stability. While it does not offer airbags or advanced safety features, it is still a safer alternative for passengers and drivers upgrading from auto rickshaws or two-wheelers. For 2025 and 2026, Bajaj is expected to continue complying with quadricycle safety regulations without major upgrades, keeping costs under control. Now the big question everyone asks: who should actually buy the Bajaj Qute in 2025 or 2026? This vehicle is ideal for last-mile mobility, commercial use, ride-sharing within campuses or closed areas, delivery services, and budget-focused urban commuters. It is also popular among small shop owners, factory transport needs, and rural areas where affordability matters more than features. Private registration is allowed in some regions, but rules vary by state and country. So before buying, it's very important to check local regulations. Many buyers use it mainly for city commutes, short distances, and daily work travel. Now let's talk about the most important part, price. The Bajaj Qute is one of the most affordable four-wheelers you can buy. As of recent data, the ex-showroom price in India ranges roughly between 3.60 lakh rupees to 3.80 lakh rupees, depending on the variant and fuel option. For 2025 and 2026, the price is expected to increase slightly due to inflation and regulatory costs, but it will still remain under 4 lakh rupees ex-showroom in most markets. Compared to entry-level cars that now cost well above 5 lakh rupees, the Bajaj Qute offers a unique value proposition. Lower purchase price, lower maintenance cost, cheaper insurance, and excellent fuel efficiency make it one of the cheapest four-wheel mobility solutions available. Maintenance is another strong point. Spare parts are affordable, service intervals are simple, and Bajaj's wide service network ensures easy ownership. For commercial users, downtime is minimal, which directly impacts earnings. However, it's important to be realistic. The Bajaj Qute is not a replacement for a proper hatchback. It lacks comfort, features, highway capability, and premium feel. If you're looking for family road trips, long drives, or feature-rich interiors, this is not the vehicle for you. But if your priority is low cost, daily city use, and maximum savings, then the Qute makes absolute sense. Looking ahead to 2026, Bajaj may explore electric or updated fuel options depending on regulations, but the core idea will remain the same: affordable, efficient, and practical mobility. The Qute is proof that not everyone needs a big, expensive car to get the job done. So the 2025-2026 Bajaj Qute is not about style or status. It's about smart mobility. It's about spending less, saving more, and choosing function over flash. And in today's world, that's a powerful choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who's looking for a budget vehicle, and subscribe to Auto Home Hub for more honest and practical automobile content. Comment below and tell us, would you buy the Bajaj Qute in 2025 or 2026, and why or why not? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.